ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science of Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 6, Episode 33, and in this episode, we're going to answer the question, what is sandy soil? Does that sound familiar? You know what sand is, right? You know what soil is? What does it mean when we say sandy soil? What is sandy soil? Let's find out. Well, sandy soil is actually one of 5 soil types. Now, this soil has mostly sand-sized grains in it. In other words, sand makes up a majority of it, hence the reason they call it sandy soil. Now, this type of soil, if you were to rub it in between your fingers and kind of feel what it feels like, it would kind of have like a gritty feeling to it if you were to rub it in between your fingers. Now, one of the cool things about this soil, one of the things to note about it, is it actually has really good drainage, and that's because the grains have such a nice large space in between them, so the water is able to easily flow. Now, while that's a benefit for the water being able to flow, it unfortunately has a negative side to it. And that means this soil is really not good for growing most plants because most of those nutrients are carried away because the water is able to flow so well. Interesting to think about, huh? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on now to our fun science fact of the day. Get this. Did you know that there is over 150 species of tulips? Yes, you heard me correctly. Maybe you've seen these before, but tulips, there are over 150 species of tulips. Wow. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me for another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question that'll be at the end of the video. And as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day and goodbye. Take care.